All right, good afternoon and welcome to the end of day review for today. And today is September 11. What a special day, right? September 11, Wednesday. And by the way, we have a September 11 anniversary, the terrorist attack in the US. And also today we have a CY data report come out at 8:30 right there, which is the high impact news. We will look at the chart to see how it impact. And we are in week 37. Next week will be 38 right there, and we have 52 trading week of the year. And we are here. So the second week of September, and September is the last month of the third quarter, which is July, August, and September right there. And next week we're gonna looking for the Fed meeting right there. Tuesday and Wednesday. So 18, basically 18. Yes, Fed meeting. So the CPI already behind us. So the next economic event we're looking for is Fed meeting right there. September 18, right there. And then after that, we're looking for the September 26 and 27, which is the GDP data and also the BC data. All right, that's it for the economic event. All right, look at the chart today. We see that here's at the 9:30 right there. 8:30 we mixed both. 8:30 the PCI data release, and we see that is a huge Dow move candle, and then it kind of make a retracement right here, reversal right here, and then boom, when it hit that high time frame and it did break the previous day high, not previous day BM. Remember, it's BM from 13 to 16, 1 p.m. to 4 p.m. right there, and it's the London range right there. So it rate both the buy side and it reverse, and then after it rate both of the sell side, it reverse again. So that's the phenomenon we're looking for right there. So basically the question for us is why it stopped right here. Basically it break down the weekly level that we identified, and yeah, it broke it out. But why it touched level, we identified this on the 4-hour time frame, is the 4 breakout level, if that's the case, or the candle range level right there. So we identified the level on the 4-hour time frame right there, which is 8-4, and here's what you can see right there. So the 4-hour right there, you see this candle range right there. So it create you can say the 4 break right here. Right, break, touch from below, and then it reverse. So the 4 break is at the weekly level, 54.32. But we can see that this candle can be triggered at a order block right there. So if we look on the 1-hour time frame, we can see that's the huge order block right there. So the question for us, why it not go and rate the sell side, which is the low of this candle? The reason because it's a huge order block right here. So you have a 4 breakout right here, right? It break, right? It tests, it break, and then it reverse. And this is a order block. The reason why I come back visit order block. So it's a key order block right there. So it did not break it. That is one of the reasons because order block on 1 hour time frame. So if the question first is because we look on the daily time frame, we have a same question. So right here you see that, you know, it's go all the way here. We thought that it's gonna rate the low of this candle. The low of the candle is on Monday, right? So, but it did not. It's you know, what the tape we're gonna see that. So that's the question we ask. Let watch the recording. All right, here's at the open. 0930. You see the setup right there, break, retest, and then reverse. So it's type 1 reversal right there. Let's see. So it's huge, you know, so up right there, and you see right here. So let's see right here. In the real time, we see this, and it's flip. See that the flip right there at the candle at 10:45 right there. Boom. Here the second candle is this one supposed to down close. You see that, but it flips. So that is the one that we can go in. By the way, today we didn't take any trade. We take a day off. The reason because yesterday we blow up our account. Yes, we did. So we take a day off to reflection on that, you know, incident or that error we make, and we'll come back stronger. One thing we learned that, you know, we are a great or successful trader not because of we haven't failed. We are a successful trader because the failure will not stop us. So we will not let this failure stop. We just accept this and we learn from this, and not, you know, be too hard on ourselves. We learn from it and move on. Come up with a better game plan and move on. So that is the reality. No matter how many times we fail, how hard we fail, we will get up and continue our journey. It's about a journey. It's not about an outcome. We should remain strong and it remains disciplined and patient. That's two characteristics that as a successful trader need to have. So yes, so right here the question why it did not, you know, reach the river day low right there. The reason because you know, there is order block on a low time frame. In this case, it's 1 hour or 4 hour right there, the order block. So that reason why we never hit that low right here. We never hit it. We thought it gonna raise that one, but it did not. And you know, we can see that's the huge reversal right there. Expansion and then it's reversal. Another thing we can point out is that right here, what do we have right here? you see that we can have a setup right here, break, test from below, and reverse right here. So it's a 4 breakout right here also. And look at the previous day PM's range and the London range. You see that whenever we see this overlap right there, so then anticipate it gonna hit the buy side liquidity, then it gonna reverse. And whether this gonna reverse, that's another question. So this one is reverse. I think it happened 2 days in a row. If you look at yesterday, the same thing happened. All right, let's look at the yesterday. So here's the write-up we have for yesterday. You see that is the previous day PM range right there. And right here we have what? We have a 4 breakout. Reversal type 1 right there. Yeah, type 1, which is you have break, test from below, and reverse right there. So that's from yesterday. And you see that the range right here, this London range is just between the previous day PM range right there. So whenever we have right here, it rate the buy side and looking for the reversal. The reversal rate the sell side of these two, and then it's what? It reverses back again. The same thing happened for today. See that? It's like copy exactly today. All right, it go and it rate the buy side. You see the condition have to have is that the London is within the PM range right there. And then you have the rate buy side and then reverse rate the sell side and it reverse. Exactly like yesterday. The same story. But the only difference is that the Dow the Dow move from yesterday is a 2-leg Dow. You see that? First leg retracement, next leg down, second leg down. But for today, it's just only single leg. It moved very fast. Boom, boom, boom. So it started at 9:30. And then at just around finish at 10:30. Can you see that? That is a beautiful setup right there. Yeah, we can put that in our arsenal right there so we can see. Yeah, let's put a note right here. Let's put a note right there. So the note we're gonna put right here is this. All right, it's 4 breakout at what level? We can pick the level right here, which is the previous day PM low right there, 54 or 57.25, which is previous day PM low, which is the 4 breakout, which is equal a reversal type 1 that we are talking about every day, right? First you have break, second you have test or retest, for lack of the better word. In this case it's long, so it's below, and then you have a third step, it will reverse. But we notice that the London range is within the previous day PM range right there. You see that? It's just within that range. And when we see that phenomenal, then looking for And then it says we have a buy side liquidity to sell side liquidity rate or sweep right there. All right there. So that's, you see that, buy side and then sell side when we have these two conditions right there. That's the node we have. Beautiful right there. So the same story happened today. So we see that every day, but the issue right now that we have to slow ourselves down, right? We have to compress, suppress or manage our urge to make money. Because that is the one that really really make us to make a mistake right there. For lack of a better words, that urge to make money is really rushes. We take too much risk. We want a quick and fast outcome. That is a characteristic of a novice trader. It's not a successful trader. Is a very novice trader. For successful trader and disciplined trader or patient trader, we have to take a different approach. That's what we are take off today and reflect on ourselves, and that the lesson we learn. We have to abstract. We have to detach ourselves from the outcome, because we, if we are attached to the outcomes, we identify ourselves with the emotion, the excitement when we win money or when we lost money, which is which is the opposite of what we try to become. So we have to stick to the process now, which is we trade our setup. We not trade for the money. We trade our setup. Whatever the outcome, we accept it. All right. So that's an idea. Let's be patient with ourselves and try to keep ourselves accountable and disciplined. So we're not going to reset our account right away. So let's wait for the end of the month when they recess us, so we don't have to pay another recess. And from there, we're going to do 10 trades in the row with the setup we have, which is the reversal type 1 or type 2 right there, or the second leg down right here. That's our lesson learned for it right there. So today it's similar the same. You see that? And let's look at the today. Yeah, here the today that we take the screenshot around 10:38 right there. Here's what we see. We see the same phenomenon, which is the London range is within the PM range, then wait for a sell side equivalent rate or sweep, then it's gonna reverse. And it formed the pattern right there, break, test from up and reverse, which is type 1 right there. Here we put into the contact of the daily. You see that? That's amazing. You see that? It's about to go down and it's gonna rate this low of the Monday or buy side liquidity, but it fell. You see that? It fell and then it reversed back. And look at the end of the day candle right there. Wow, we took that screenshot. You see how beautiful that this candle got flipped. That's amazing. phenomenal. Right here, you see that candle flip. Look at that candle. 9/11, September 11, and look on this picture. Who thought it's gonna flip? At 10, we check this at yeah, we check this picture is at 10:44 right there. Right, we check 10:38 and 10:44. At 10:44, who thought that it's gonna flip? You have to have a big belief. So it's really flip right there. You see that? Just 2 days in a row, it's happened exactly the same. That is amazing setup right there. Let's do the rework on this one because now we have the end of the day, right? This is the end of the day right here. That's amazing. You see that? It flipped. Who thought of that? Oh man, it's amazing. Yep. So let's take the screenshot again, and we have yep. So right here, we check this screenshot. Yeah, let's do the write-up for this setup, along setup right there. You see the break, and then the test from below, and then the reverse right there. So the low of this is 2450. 2450. And this one is close 2425 right there. So just 1 pip below, which is makes sense. You want it to test from below, break test from below, and then reverse perfectly. It's reversed at 11. See that? 11 hour. Yes, so right there. Yeah, so here we have the signature for the 4 breakout type 1 right there. Okay, so we have break, test from below, and reverse. That's right. All right, let's finish our write up right here. First, you have a break, and then you have second test from below, and then you have reverse. That's what okay, so 4 breakout at that level, which is 54.24, 50, and remember that level is near, previous day low. it almost raised that level, but it did not. The reason why, because it's a order block, right? And then it's gonna be it is a equal with type 1 reversal. That's how we do our write-up. First you have break, second you have test from below, and then we have what? Reverse. It's very interesting when we watch in the real time this candle flip, this two candle flips that give us that the setup is forming right there. And all right, we do the note right here, which is first we see that the London trend is within Riveted DM range, and then second we have what? Second we have the condition is the buy side liquidity rate to sell side liquidity rate. So basically it's with both ends. It reverse, right? Take buy side and then take sell side and then reverse. That's an idea right there. Oh, come on. Oh, so basics, that's our note right there. So you have a buy side liquidity rate from buy side to sell side, which is exactly yesterday, right? Yesterday also from buy side to sell side right there, and today it's the same from buy side to sell side. We're gonna put the note right here, the why a reason that it not rate the previous day low right there, because the order block on 4-hour time frame or 1-hour time. We're gonna put that in there. Yeah, that save this one. So here's the 1 hour. I want to see how it looked like on a 1 hour. I mean daily time frame right there. It's flipped right there. You see that? It flipped at that moment. She flipped at that moment right there. So basically the rate up right here, we're gonna say that is failed to rate revert day low, which is the Monday right there, because there is a order block on lower time frame, which is X4 or X1 right there, 1 hour or 2 time frame right there. That is the write up right there. Yeah, we're gonna take a screenshot. So we put all together. So here's the 1 hour time frame right there. You see the order block right there, and you see the 4 breakout right here at this level. Break. Now test from above, break, and then reverse. So it's type 2 right there. And that is the reason why it did not rate the previous day low right here because of the order block. That's our theory right there. So right up first, it's gonna be right here. So it fell to rate the previous day low or sell side liquidity because there's an order block on low time frame X1. Oh, come on. Alright, here's the write-up for the 1 hour versus the 15 minute right there. So why it stopped right here? The reason why, because there is it failed to rate the previous day low, sell side liquidity, which is this low, because that is the order block. That's the order block on low time frame, which is 1 hour time frame. And also know that the order block is formation after the 4 breakout reversal type 1 created or formation also. Yep, so that's the trick right there. So this basically go back to that order block one more time. And that's the reason why on 50 minutes we see that it will never go through this because of the 1 hour time frame right there. Okay, so that's wrap this thing up and we get out here, right? Alright, here's when we merge all three together. First is on the 15 minutes time frame, which is set up. Then we put in the contacts with the daily time frame. You see how it's flipped right there. And then it's go to down to the 1 hour. The reason why it will not go down here and take the liquidity from the previous day, which is the Monday right there, because there are order block on lower time frame, 1 hour time frame order block right there. So we have a perfect write-up for the beautiful setup today right there. Alright, we run out of time. We thank you for your time and interest. We're always grateful for this opportunity. We do what we love and success coming our way. And day by day we're getting better in every way. Thank you and have a great evening. See you tomorrow.